What's going on, everybody? In this video, what I'm going to do is go over an organic vegan protein shake mix by the company EarthChimp. Check this out. What I have here is the chocolate flavor and the vanilla flavor, and I have been kind of going back and forth, kind of testing these out over the past couple of weeks and really kind of like seeing what I thought about them. And let me just kind of like go over some of the benefits of this like shake mix. Number one, it's vegan. So if you're on a vegan diet and you want to like cut out milk protein or anything like that, and looking at the back of it here, let me just, and because there's a lot going over the back, and there is a scooper inside this, by the way. There's a scooper in each one of these, so every time you get one, there will be a scooper inside of it. You mix 2 scoops with 10 fluid ounces of plant milk or water. Definitely plant milk tastes way better than water. Water's okay, but I still like using the plant milk. And one of their smoothies that they recommend is the banana with some peanut butter. I've used that one, and that tastes really good too. And looking over some of the nutritional facts here, you know, there's 26 servings per pack, 2 scoops, which is 35 grams, 120 calories per serving, and that gives you 2 grams of fat, very low saturated fat, zero trans fat, 0 cholesterol, 230 milligrams of sodium, which is your 10% daily allowance, low in carbs, 10 grams of carbs. But what makes it so good in carbs is the fact that it's 20 grams of protein. That's 28% of your daily allowance. Calcium, 24 milligrams of calcium, potassium, zinc, iron, magnesium. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I mix it in the mornings and get out before I go to work. I do a quick mixture on this. So let's go ahead. Let's go in here and I'll mix one in the kitchen. Or actually, I'll bring my blender in here and I'll mix one right here and show y'all how I mix it. Okay, I went ahead and brought my blender in here. What I have is the Chef blender, and I really like this blender, by the way. I will leave a link to this thing because I really like this thing. What I use is the Blue Diamond Almond. The Almond Breeze is take the 10 ounces of almond milk, pour it in there. Now down in here is the scooper. So you're going to open it up. I've not mixed in here, so I might be a little messy. So excuse the mess. There's one in that. 2 scoops. Put this aside. Drop a little peanut butter in there. And the banana. You got to love a banana. Take this. Here's why I like this blender so much. You see how I can kind of take that right there? See how it kind of locks it up like that? Put this in there like that. I did make a little bit of a mess. Now it's locked into place. Check it out, everybody. It's pretty much ready now. I usually kind of shake it a little bit. I guess it makes me feel better. Take that off. This is why I like this. Oh yeah, you want to look in there first. Check that out. Look how well it mixed. No clumps, no like mix up or anything like that. There's a little bit of the peanut butter on the side, but that doesn't bother me, honestly. And then you lock this on there. Now we're going to taste it. That's really good, everybody. I can kind of carry this around with me, and this is basically like my breakfast now, and starting my morning off with this with a banana, some peanut butter, and some of this mix. And it's been holding me off to lunchtime pretty easy. So yeah, I think this is a great option for anyone that's kind of like wanting to stay on a vegan diet, but they still want to get a good amount of protein in their diet, because that's one of the things that's difficult for a vegan is getting a lot of protein in their diet. And this EarthChimp makes it extremely easy to get the protein in you need. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the EarthChimp vegan protein shake mix, and you know, the Chef blender. See y'all in the next video.